everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Bensberger online banking account. To do so, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up a web browser and then in the URL box, type in www.bensbergerbank.de and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after, you end up in the official web page, which looks like this. You'll be able to see the login online banking option at the top right. Give it a click and then select whether you'd like to log into your online banking account, or other different options are available as well. To log in and access your online banking account, click the Login Online Banking option in the pop-up. It'll now take you to the banking portal. Enter your online banking account's credentials, that is your net key or alias. Go ahead and type in your VR net key or alias in the first text box and then type in your PIN code on the next. After you are done entering the credentials, click on the Announce button and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to access your Bensberger Bank online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.